Zimbabwe's main opposition leader, Nelson Chamisa, has unequivocally stated that he will not support any action resembling the events of 2017, saying that he learned his lesson from what transpired during and after the coup. Chamisa was part of the opposition group that supported the 2017 coup alongside his then leader, Morgan Tsvangirai. This is the statement that Nelson Chamisa wrote. He said, "A lasting solution for Zimbabwe, a lasting solution starts with truth. Ignoring the 2023 stolen election is ignoring the root of our crisis. Anything that does not address the 2023 stolen election is a fraud and a waste of time. Corruption, capture, suffering, they are symptoms of a disputed mandate and a contested government. Let's treat the cause, not the symptoms. We are the solution. Let's fix what is killing us. One people, hashtag new great Zimbabwe." And then someone responded to Nelson Chamisa's statement saying, "You need to call your followers to participate in their march, which is announced by Blessed Geza, the 1 Million Men March, which is supposed to happen on the 17th of October 2025. And Chamisa said 2017 taught us a big lesson." Let's get to hear what you think about all this.